What's up everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright, today I have a new dance tutorial for you. So the title of the song is called Fabulous by Brooke. Okay, let's start. Alright, let's start. So for this one, we're gonna start closing our feet. Sorry about my daughter, she really wants to be in my video.
Yes,
So,
yes.
yeah, excuse me. So close feet together. So we're gonna go to your right. So 1, 2 to the front. This is 2 counts. 3, 4, cross. 5, 6, open. 7 and 8. You get that one?
Yes.
One more time. Come here, you dance with me. You go at the back. So 5, 6, 7 and 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn around. 5, 6 and 7 and 8. Get it? Alright. Next you're gonna pose 1, 2. You'll set I'm gorgeous or something like that. You're gonna pose 1, 2. Any pose you like. Make you feel beautiful. So 1, 2, cross. 3, 4, 5, chest 6, colon 7, drop on 8. Okay, let's try again. So 5, 6, 7 from the beginning. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, cross. 5, 6 and 7 and 8. Pause. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, call 7 and 8. Good job. All right, next. Sorry about that. So from here, 7, 8. You're gonna close 1, 2, 3, lift on 4. This is 5, 6, turn around 7 and 8. Roger that. One more time. So from the beginning. So 5, 6, 7 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8. Pause. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Call on 7. Drop on 8. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6. Turn around 7 and 8. Let's continue. This one is easy. You just go up on 1, 2, 3, close on 4. Go 5 and 6, push 7 and close on 8. Alright, one more time. So after turn, left, bend and 8 up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, push 7 and 8. Good job. Let's try from the beginning. So 5, 6, 7 and go 1, 2, 3, 4, turn 5, 6 and 7, 8, pose 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, call down 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, up 7 and 8. Let's continue. So from here, you're gonna go up 1 and 2, hip 3 and 4, release on 5, chest 6, go 7 and 8. Simple as that. One more time. 6, 7, 8, side 1 and 2, hip 3 and 4, go 5, chest on 6, 7 and 8. Let's continue. From here, you're gonna cross 1 to the front, 2, 3, go back on 4, down 5, 6, close on 8. Simple as that. One more time. So 5, 6, 7, you're gonna cross on 1, 2, 3, back on 4, down 5, 6, 7 and 8. Let's try everything from the beginning first, okay? It's a little bit windy. Hope my voice is clear, okay? So here we go. 5, 6, 7 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Turn. 7, 8. Up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2. Hit 3, 4, 5, 6. Set. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so 3, 4 down, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Good job. All right, last 2 8s. So from here, you're gonna step your left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. Yes, one more time. Ready? One more time. 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Up. Let's continue. Last 8. Go 1, 2, 3. Close on 4. Just walk. 5, 6, 7, and it pose. Yes. Good job. So let's try everything from the beginning. Come on. Here we go. Super slow. So 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. Pose. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold down. 1, 2, 3. Lift. 4, 5, 6. Turn. 7, and slow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7. Down. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Up and down. 5, just 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and a 4. Down. 5, 6, 7. Last 2 8s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Pose. Yes. Good job. Thank you so much guys for watching. Hope you like that choreography. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comments on our video. Okay? I'll see you next time. Bye bye.
Bye bye, Minnie Mouse.